Good day, everybody. Today I will continue to look at mail merge. This time I'm going to be showing you how you go about inserting a recipient list or an existing list into a letter. So we're going to start by reminding you to subscribe, like, share, comment, and watch the ads. Let us now go into our mail merge. As a reminder, we usually click on the Mailings tab, then Start Mail Merge, then Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard. It is a letter that we are doing, and if you want, you can refer to the Mail Merge Part 1 video that I did the other day to brush up or refresh your memory or get an idea as to what I'm doing before you do this one. Then we will click on Next, which is right below step 1 of 6. And then we are now at step 2 of 6. It says we're going to use the current document. So we will not change that option. Then we're going to click on Next, which is step 2 under step 2 of 6. And when you click on Next, you will see Select Recipients. Now this is where we're going to change the option from what we had selected last time. So last time we had selected Type a New List and we had typed a new list. This time we're going to leave the option that says Use an Existing List, and I'm going to show you how you go about doing that in terms of inserting an existing list, mailing list, into your letter. So use an existing list and then click on Browse. Then you would look in your data sources for that mailing list. Usually your mailing list is in data sources, or sometimes you may have it elsewhere. I'm going to be using Redwood Farm mailing list. So I'm going to click on Redwood Farm and then select Open. So right there you can see my mailing list. It has address, first name, last name, and I'm going to edit it so that I can add some titles to it. How do you go about editing your mailing list? You go to the data source and click on the name of the mailing list, which is redwoodfarm.mdb for me, that is. Then I would select Edit. Now I want to put in some titles for these people, so that's what I'm going to do, which is, for the first one is Miss. For the second one, I'm going to put Mrs. For the third one, I'm going to put Doctor. For the second one, fourth one, I'm going to put Mr. and Mr. again for the last one. Then I'm going to select OK. Then it says, do you want to update your recipient list and save these changes to redwoodfarm.mdb? And I'm going to say yes. Then select OK. Once you have done that, you would then select the next option, which is under step 3 of 6. Now you're at step 4 of 6, which asks you to write your letter. In writing your letter, you are going to insert your address block, which includes the address of the recipient. So you're going to insert your address block, and of course we like to use this type of style, so we will use this type of style as usual and select OK. Then press enter twice, and I'm going to put Dear and go to More Items right under that same section, right hand side, and then I'm going to select Insert Title. I'm going to select Title and insert it, and then I'm going to select Last Name and then insert it. I'm going to put a space between title and last name, so it will say Dear Mrs. Redwood, etc. Alright, so when I'm through doing that, I'm going to put the body of my letter and the salutation. Then I would select preview your letters, which is the next step under step 4 of 6. It is asking if I want to remove a field. No, I don't want to remove a field. What I did was to copy the letter I had done last video, and it is now inside of this one. And that's why it is asking if I want to remove it, but I'm not going to remove it. I'm going to let it remain. Now you can view all your list, your mailing list, the persons in your mailing list. You can view your recipients to see all the persons who will be receiving this list. So the first person is Miss Marika Redwood, Russell Place Meadows, and it says, Dear Miss Redwood. And if you want, you can click on the 2 double arrows that are beside recipient 1 to see the other recipients. So this is now saying recipient 2, which is Mrs. Lisa Redwood, and recipient 3, Dr. Maya Redwood, and recipient 4, Mr. Damien Redwood, and recipient 5, Mr. Leon Redwood. So guys, that is how you go about inserting an existing list in your letter. When you are through, you would click on the next step, which says complete the merge, which is right under step 5 of 6. So that's now 6 of 6. So your mailing list, your letter, your mail merge letter is now complete. You can edit individual letters if you desire, like I said in the last video, but I'm going to click on one of them and show you what it will look like. So when you click on edit individual letters, you will select all and select OK. Alright, so you can go inside of each letter and edit them individually. Right, and if you notice as well, you will see page 1 of 6, which means because you have completed your merge and you are ready to edit individual letters, all 6 letters are there. And that's the beauty about mail merge. One letter serves for 6 persons. You wouldn't have to be writing that letter 6 times. Alright, so I can go into increased by and just manually put the amount that I want to increase it by. Right? And that's how you go about editing a letter. And you can scroll from page to page to see the 6 letters that you did for your 6 recipients. All right. So guys, thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Continue to like and share. And if you have not subscribed before today or any at all, please, I'm asking you to subscribe. Remember now, like, share, comment, and watch the ads. Bye guys.